An LLC is often the easiest structure for a non resident. It's usually cheaper to maintain, it has less formal rules than a corporation, and very important, an LLC protects your personal assets. If something happens in the business, your personal money and your personal property are separated from the company. So, when is an LLC a good idea in real life? Let me give you a few examples. First example, you are a freelancer or consultant. Maybe you do marketing, design, or development, or any expert based service. Most of your income comes from clients. You don't plan to raise money from investors. You don't plan to give small pieces of your business to a lot of people. In this case, an LLC is usually a perfect fit. You get a clear business structure, you can send invoices, you can sign contracts, you protect yourself from personal liability, and you don't carry the extra complexity of a corporation. Second example, you run a small e-commerce business. You sell product on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or through your own website. Maybe you work alone. Maybe you have one partner. You want to grow, but you don't plan to attract venture funds. You want to make profit from sales, not from investors. In that case, an LLC is also usually better. You don't need stock, a board, and a complex share structure to sell t-shirts, candles, or digital products. Now, before we move to corporations, I want to touch on one important point. Many videos online say something like open an LLC in the US and you'll pay no taxes. That is not how it works. With an LLC, the profits usually pass through to you as the owner. The company itself often doesn't pay income tax like a big corporation, but that doesn't mean the money is tax free. You might still need to pay tax in your home country, and in some cases, pay tax in the US if the income is connected to the US. And even if there is no US tax, there can still be US reporting. So an LLC is not a magic no tax button.